Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on your iPhone, open Facetime and tap Create Link, then name the call so participants see it. Once done, use the share sheet to send that link by messages, mail, or a chat app. Make sure the Android user receives the link on the device they will use for video. You do this immediately, there's no account exchange needed. After sending, tell them to open the link in their browser and grant camera and microphone permission when prompted. You instruct the Android participant to open the FaceTime link in Chrome or another supported browser, then type a display name and grant camera and microphone access. Once they click Join, they'll sit in a lobby in the browser while you, the iPhone host, see a notification to admit them. Make sure they have a solid Wi-Fi or 4G signal. Video uses significant bandwidth. After you accept, the browser connects to the FaceTime session, and video begins with standard control. You can now manage the call with the on-screen icons: mute/unmute, switch camera, add people, or end the call. If the Android user can't join or you see black video, make sure they allowed camera and mic in the browser settings and that no other app is blocking access. Also check both devices have updated software and a stable network. If things still fail, restart the browser or phone, then rejoin. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.